Someone asked me this question last week, and honestly, I didn't know how to answer that person at that time. And not because I didn't have answer to it, but because I did not want to overhype it. And what's the question? She said, is AI automation actually a good career, or is it just another hype that is going to die in 2 years? And I thought to myself that, yeah, actually, that's a fair question because if anybody is going to invest in learning or invest in anything, there's a big need for you to know what you are investing on. You need to know the advantage in it for you. So I'm going to give you exactly that. I'm going to answer the question. I'm going to give you the good, the bad, the money aspect of it, the reality. And then by the end of this video, you will know whether this career is actually right for you or not. So stay tuned. So let me start with the fact for you now. Currently, businesses today are under much pressure. I mean, much pressure because there are competitions everywhere, everywhere. And why the competition? Because now businesses that have just little head count, they are doing more. So there's that pressure for people to do more with the little that they have. So it's not about how many people you can hire these days. It is now how you can use the tools available right now to get done your work as fast as possible. And that's what automation actually does for them, because automation removes the manual work, it speeds up everything, and even multiplies income because the faster you are able to operate, the more clients you're able to cover, and then the more money you get. So currently, the demand for automation engineer is rising day by day because you are the one they're actually looking for currently. And sincerely trust me, this is not me hyping it. The same way businesses needed web designer in 2005 until 2015, 16, 17, all of that. It's the same way that businesses are looking for automation specialists right now in 2026. Now, I know the major reason you're watching this video is because you want to know if this career actually pays or doesn't pay. And the short answer is that it pays. It pays. But let me break it down for you. Let's see, connecting a form to a CRM, setting up follow-up messages, that alone, if you're able to build it for a business, you can charge between $300 and $800 for it. And the thing is that for you to set it up, it just takes very few hours. Or let's just say a medium automation now, like you want to create an onboarding system for businesses, lead generation flow, and all of that. You see, that alone you can charge between $800 and $2,500, depending on the complexity and the tools you are connecting together. And let's not say you want to build a full business automation setup. You want to build it for an agency, a company, and all of that. You can charge between $3,000 and $10,000, even beyond. And the best part is that, you see, once you build a system for a client, they will come back. So far you engineered it, they will come back and they would want to build more automation, because once a company or a business tastes how automation works and emphasis on you actually engineered it well, they will want more from you. So they don't have any need to look for someone else. You be the one to call for. And the thing is that your results will only depend on how well you learn the skill, how you're able to position yourself, and how seriously you take it. Because if you just think it's going to give you money and then you just sit down there, trust me, you won't get anything. Yeah, I know you may be asking that, okay, what about web design? What about data science, cybersecurity? Yeah, they are also great parts anyway. They are very fantastic. But these are the things that makes automation different from those parts. Now, you see, the barrier to entry level is very low. Now, people are not looking for 4 years of experience in automation, in whatever tool you want to use, because they know that this field is still very fresh. That's one advantage. Now, the second reason is that you are actually solving immediate and visible problems. When client sees that, yes, this thing is working, leads are coming in from left and right, the report is being generated by itself and is also being sent automatically with accuracy, they are going to adopt it. Everybody actually wants quick results. So far, it is what they want and it's going to help them. So that's reason number 2. Now, the number 3 is that it actually grows with AI. As an automation engineer, you are not competing with AI. In short, AI is your tool. So you are growing with it. So you are the person who deploys it, you are the person who shows people how to use it, and then you deploy it in the business. That's a beautiful place to be. But now, this is the honest part. I promise you honesty, and I'm going to give it to you because there's no part that doesn't have a rough aspect of it. So, the same as automation. You see, is it perfect? Definitely no, because you're going to encounter clients who don't even know what they want. You will encounter some clients that will just be vague and they will tell you that, yes, this thing is not working, I'm not using it again, whereas you have already deployed it for them. So you're going to meet all of those. And the thing is, you are also going to build automations that will break. You can't even avoid that. But there are ways that you can minimize how your automation breaks. And that is when you learn from the right source, not just from random YouTube videos. You just pick this one and then pick this one. No, you have to learn with structure. And another thing is that, you see, tools are coming out over and over again. So there's a need for you to stay updated and also don't be distracted, because there will be many tools and people will be hyping a lot of tools. And if you jump from this tool to another, you will realize that you are not building anything. You are only jumping from one tool to another. The thing is that, are you able to solve business problem with the tools that you have? Then adopt it and stay updated, because there will still be some tools that's going to give you flexibility. So that's also very important. And another thing is that, you see, finding your first client is what it is. It takes effort. I won't say it's very difficult, but it takes effort, because you need to prove to me that you have done something like this before I can trust you with my resources. Now, another aspect of the honesty is that I have found out that the people that struggle in this career are usually not struggling because of the skill. They struggle because they never got a structured training. So they try to learn from scattered YouTube videos and they never had a plan and a clear roadmap to follow. And it's a major reason I had to stay off YouTube to build this course to help anybody that want to delve into AI automation career. So, is AI automation a good career? Definitely yes. If you are willing to learn the right tools, if you are willing to solve real problems for real businesses, and if you are willing to be consistent, then it is yes. It is one of the best career moves you can make right now. And I'm not saying it because it is easy, but I'm saying it because it is needed. And the people who start now will be the most experienced when other people now start catching up later. If this video got you thinking about the path and you want to become an AI automation specialist, I have a course. It is a world-class automation engineering course. It is actually built for beginners. It's going to pick you from the scratch. You don't need coding experience at all. So I'm giving this course for the first 10 students for $100. And then after that, it's going to jump back to $250. And the best aspect of this course is that at the end of every week, we have a live session where we talk about your progress, we talk about the blocker you have, we'll fix it, and then we'll prepare you for the next week. So see you in class. And if you are not ready yet, you're still thinking about it, don't worry. What I would like you to do is just put a like button and then subscribe, because there's still more video coming about AI automation engineers, and I would love you to see it when it comes.